Here's the ranger with a friend. My wife and I are up in this hill. There's not too many people up here currently. Very dusty. A lot of vehicles coming back and forth, so be careful if you're out here. I set up our moonshade, our table, and we're gonna eat a little bit before tonight's festivities. Alright, we are gonna make some dinner. We haven't eaten yet today. Yards away from Chocolate Thunder. Nice sweater, babe. Where'd you get it?
Merch. Super fun. So
Isn't
far.
it?
We have a
So
lot
far.
more to go.
All right, everybody. So it's morning. We made it through the night. We slept pretty good. We slept a lot better than last year. If you're going to go to King of the Hammers, I do suggest getting quite a bit of ways from Hammertown.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day.
We didn't have much wind today, so I was able to drone a little bit. Hopefully that came out good in the camera. All right, everybody, we're back at King of the Hammers 2023. All right, so as for temperature, it's about 60 degrees or whatnot. It's gonna be 30s tonight. Usually out here, the wind it's pretty rough. Wow, thing's huge.
These guys are really throwing down to try and get a position in the racing points, get themselves up the front.
All right, guys, we're at the Ranger, Ford, Bronco, and F-150 Raptor booth. Look at this thing. First time I've ever seen the new generation Ranger. It has eights. Oh yeah. Look at that thing. All right, guys, so we're on our way back to the Ranger. It's about noon here. We're surprised because it's actually very warm. I'd say it's pretty hot, actually. I'm gonna go back to the truck, get some supplies, drop off this fire pit we just bought, and then we'll get back to it. Our Ranger did a pretty good job out here, but you see all types of vehicles. As you can see, there's a Highlander, there's a sedan, I think there's like a Pinto over there. There's a lot of bugs, a lot of two-wheel drive vehicles, so if you're out here, you're interested, you don't really need a 4x4, just stay on the paved areas. It's actually not too bad. Anyways, we're gonna go in, get some merch. Good idea whenever you come here is to bring a little part for all the merch you're gonna buy. So we bought this thing with some chairs. Should be a good time. There's a lot of free giveaways out here, raffles and things like that, so pretty cool. Hey, chill.
He's crying the whole time. Oh God.
Looks like they're gonna have a concert booth set up. We're currently working on it right now. Bought a new hat. We don't have King Shocks, we have Fox Shocks, but it was hot. And anyways, we're getting some tacos from Taco Cowboy. And then we just got some donuts from this spot over here. Here's our little setup. Hey, buddy.
Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation.
Walking around. Oh, check it out. This is the Demon Child from the Light Bright channel. I watch this thing all the time on YouTube.
Occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Guys, so that was our King of the Hammers 2023 adventure. We're on our way home. We had a great time. This year was kind of hot, so prepare for either wind, cold, or heat. Anyways, we're going to try to get out of here before the crowd gets too crazy. Wish us luck. Hope to see you here next year. Peace out.